Hello, you've reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Hazel. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Hello, you've reached
Hi, this is Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. My name is Matthew. May I have your name
This is
and date of death,
Isabel.
please?
May I have your name and date of death, please?
Hello, you have reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Gilbert. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Samuelito Lontok. Pumanaw ako noong February 11, 2016.
Okay, salamat po. Check ko lang po yung records ninyo. Salamat po sa paghintay, Mr. Lontok. Ano pong may tutulong ko sa inyo?
Gusto ko sana makausap ang anak ko. 3 taon na kasi akong hindi dinadalaw sa puntod eh. Kakamustahin ko lang sana.
Sino po sa 3 anak ninyo?
Yung panganay ko, si Rizalina Lontok.
Okay po, please give me a minute or two. Tawagan ko lang po ang anak ninyo to inform her and to get her permission. Then I'll connect the call na po. Please stay on the line.
Hello?
Hi, this is Gilbert from Spirit Link Solutions. Si Rizalina Lontok po ba ito?
Opo.
Nasa kabilang linya po ang isa sa yumao ninyong mahal sa buhay. Gusto daw po kayo makausap.
Sino po?
Ang tatay niyo po si Samuelito Lontok.
Si tatay? Sige po.
Okay po. Bago may connect yung call, we would like to remind you that this call will be charged to your postpaid bill.
But if you are on a prepaid po, automatic pong makakalta sa balance niyo on charge. Pero pag wala po kayong balance, the call will not go through. Okay? Let me connect the call now. Thank you and have a nice day.
Anong oras break mo, Gilbert?
After 5 minutes pa. Papasukan pa ako ng call nito, kaya mauna ka na.
Sige, sa smoking area na lang.
Okay, sige. Hello, you have reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Gilbert. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Pinatay nila ako. Kinahasa nila ako.
Sorry. I need your name and date of death, please, so I can further assist you.
Pinatay nila ako. Kinahasa nila ako. Pinagpasapasahan nila ako. Binaboy nila ako. Binaboy ako ng mga sundalong Hapon. Pagkatapos ay pinaslang nila ako. Tulungan mo ko.
I'm sorry, but we only assist spirits who would like to speak or send message to their loved ones or friends. As much as I would love to assist you with...
Nilibing nila ang katawan ko sa likuran ng simbahan ng Santa Clara. Tulungan mo ko.
We apologize, but I need to end this call now. Thank you for calling Spirit Link Solutions. Have a safe wander in the afterlife.
Huwag! Kailangan ko ng tulong mo!
Puta pare, na-jackpotan pa ako ng Lost Soul. Nagpapatulong mahanap yung bangkay niya.
Di ba hindi naman natin hinahandle yung ganong concern?
Oo. Pero pwede naman natin transfer yung call sa Spirit Department ng National Police para makapagbigay sila ng impormasyon tungkol sa kaso nila. Unless, nasa exemption ng dates and generation. Katulad ng call ko kanina, mga sundalong Hapon daw ang gumahasa at pumatay sa kanya. Hindi na yung matutulungan ng pulisya, malabo na yun. Kaya ang gagawin mo, sabihin mo lang yung spill para doon, then closing, tapos end mo na yung call.
Oo, tama. Na-discuss din nga pala yan sa product training. Ang hirap din pala, no? Paano pala pag kamag-anak mo yung tumawag tapos ikaw ang hinahanap? Hindi rin kayo pwede mag-usap.
Sa 3 taong ko naman dito, never ko pa na-experience yun. Pero pag gano'n nangyari, sasabihin mo lang na hindi available. Then magtatanong ka kung may iba pa silang gusto makausap o masenda ng message. Tsaka yung makikipagkumustahan ka kapag kakilala mo yung kaluluwang tumatawag. Naku, bawal din yun. Nga pala pare, kumusta pala yung first week mo dito? Kaya pa?
Kinikilabutan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Lalo kapag nakikita ko yung profile ng kausap ko. Nakalagay dun kung anong kinamatay at kailan namatay. Iniisip ko na lang buhay ang kausap ko.
Naku, ganyan din ako nung una. Masasanay ka rin dyan pare.
Hello, you've reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Marty. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Hello, you have reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Gilbert. May I have your name and date of death, please? Hello, you have reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Gilbert. May I have your name and date of death, please? I'm sorry, but I'm not hearing anything on the other line. I'll be ending this call now. Thank you for calling Spirit Line Solutions. Have a safe wander in afterlife.
Ano yun pare? Walang nagsasalita?
Ghost call, pare.
Ghost call naman talaga tong mga natatanggap natin eh.
Wait pare, may call agad akong pumasok. Hello, you have reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Gilbert. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Teresita Toledo. Kanina lang.
Thank you. Let me pull up your records po. Thank you for waiting po, Mrs. Toledo. How can I help you po today? Would you like to...
Sa inyo rin nagtatrabaho ang anak ko, si Gilbert Toledo. Gusto ko siyang makausap. Hindi ko ginustong mamatay ng ganito kaaga. Gusto ko pang makasama ng matagal ang dalawa kong anak. Gusto ko pang maalagaan ang magiging mga apo ko sa kanila. Napakabata pa ni Jenny Lynn.
I'm sorry. It's not available at this moment po. Would you like to speak with?
Gilbert? Ikaw ba yan, anak? Gilbert, anak. Patawarin mo ang nanay. Ayokong iwan ka. Sorry. Hindi ko napansin yung dumadaang sasakyan. Sorry, anak. Sorry.
Name and date of death,
Hello,
please.
you've reached Spirit Link Solutions,
Hi, this
connecting
is
you
Jesse.
with the ones you left
Hello,
behind.
you've reached Spirit Link Solutions, connecting you with the ones you left behind. This is Leo. May I have your name and date of death, please?
Pare, kailangan ko makausap si tita. Wala na mag-aalaga kay Bunso.
I'm sorry. To further assist you, may I have your name and date of death, please?
Leo, alam ko ikaw yan. Si Gilberto, namatay ako kagabi. Nawala ako sa sarili ko kagabi. Pare, kawawa naman si Bunso, please.
Leo, the client is calibrating your call. Bakit hindi ka sumasagot?
Ghost call, TL. Ghost call.